Dear student, now it will be enough to say that you have not learned how to speak English fluently. I think everything is in your mind and you are eligible, you are competent to speak English everywhere. Now I will make video for different chapters of grammar or translation so that every day you can learn something new. In this series, today I will discuss about voice. वॉइस के बारे में आप ये जानते हैं कि टेंस पर आधारित सारे वॉइस कैसे चेंज होते हैं एंड यू आर ऑल्सो अवेयर दैट द मॉडल्स is changed into the passive voice by adding be just after auxiliary verb or in modal verb. लेकिन आज हम कुछ इससे भी नया different things I want to place before you, which is related with imperative sentence, जुड़ा हुआ होगा infinitive से, and something new will be brought from late or from there. Now I am going to place few sentences which are directly related with the special cases, and we have to learn how it is changed from active to passive. उदाहरण इस प्रकार है, आप देखेंगे। पहला उदाहरण है, इस प्रकार। First example is this, that I am to do it. It will be changed into passive voice. It is to be done by me. See the next sentence. I was to do it. This will be changed in passive voice like this. I was to be done by me. तीसरा एग्जाम्पल है, there is no time to lose. पैसिव वॉइस होगा, there is no time to be lost. Next example we have, there is no money to waste. And passive voice will be, there is no money to be wasted. Next example, it is time to be. It is time for exercise. It is time for exercise to be taken. Next question, next example, it is now time to start our race. It is now time for the race to be started. Next, I like people to respect me. This will be in passive voice. I like to be respected. I want someone to take photographs. This will be changed in as a passive voice. I want photographs to be taken. And some more example we have like this, do this work. This has been taken from imperative sentence. Imperative sentence के बारे में आप जानते हैं. It is very simple, in which some order is given, some request is made, etc. तो देखिए, do this work, let this work be done. और अंतिम वाक्य इस प्रकार है, open the door, and ये चेंज होगा इस तरह, let the door be opened. तो आपने देखा इस तरह के वाक्य को जिसमें नए तरीके से पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज किया गया था. दिस वाज द one video. On this basis, I will bring next video too on the basis of this voice. And by this, I want to conclude this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.